Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit training. Today we're going to look at dimensions. I've got this project I'm working on and now it's time to place some dimensions. So first of all, we want to look at our overall dimensions. So I'm going to go to my architecture tab or my annotate tab and select the line dimensions. So here in this case, I'm going to go to my taskbar here and I want to put wall center lines for now. And I want to select this wall, this entire wall, and I'm going to go and look at my options, and I have none selected. So I want to just grab this entire wall first and foremost. So I select this wall, and there's my first dimension. And as you can see, it's placed on the center lines based on this taskbar here. Okay, so now next thing we need to do is we can select these walls and we can go to wall faces. So if I want to go to wall faces, I'll select wall faces. That will automatically switch, and I'll just put there and one to that face. Okay? And again, these dots are basically your keys to where these walls are going to go. So now here, after that, you might want to go in and do another dimension to pick up these openings and windows and whatnot. So now I'm going to go back to my align dimension, and then here I'm going to select, we're going to stay with wall, we're going to go with wall center lines now. And we go entire walls, but this time we're going to select intersecting walls. And we're going to go okay. And we're going to say openings. I'm going to go, no, I'm going to leave openings out. We can go openings and width and centers here. So I'm going to leave openings out because I got something else I want to show you there. We're going to okay. So we're going to select this wall here. And there are basically our, I think I want to go to wall faces for this one as well. So we're going to go select this wall, go back to annotate. I want to pick entire walls. In the options though, we want to go and select, no, so I'm sorry. I want to go with wall faces here for this one. So select it. And there you go. So we've got our next line of dimension there. It picked up those faces over there, but that's okay. I can always take this guy and move him in here. Like so. I think, yep. But I'm going to undo that now. That dimension should be okay. So now what we also can do here, like, I'm going to go and grab these walls while we're at it. Make this a quick video on dimensions. So I'm going to select this one here. Okay. And we'll do this one here. Pull it out. Okay, now what we have here is we've got all our dimensions in, and then we want to go back to the line command, and we want to go pick wall faces. We want to go overall wall, entire walls, and we want to go okay here. And we're just going to go select this wall, that dimension, this wall, and this dimension. Okay, so now what you can do here now is we can also edit these. Say for instance, this is 10 1/4 or 10 1/2 inches. I can go into my manage tab and look at my project units and select length here. So that's set at 1/8 inch. We want to make this guy, let's say 1/2 inch. Okay. Okay. All right. So now we've got this narrowed down to 1/2 inch. And then we can also double click here. And we can replace this text and say overall here. Go okay. And we can even do better than that. We might just want to go and do this. back one, and I want to select it here. And maybe we want to use this. Now we can't say we want to change this dimension. We can't put any numerals in here. This is only for text. So if I say 24, apply, it's going to tell me I can't, you know. So what we'll do is just leave that blank. And then we'll go here and we'll say below field, we'll say overall. Okay. Now, we can go over here and do the same. Just double click on the dimension. Well, not the dimension on the text. And we're going to go below with overall. Okay. Okay, now we want to look at temporary dimensions here. So if I select this wall right here, this is what we would call a temporary dimension. Or here, select this wall. And see, these are temporary dimensions. So what we do with those, and then we might want to say over here, let's go and do wall faces for these guys. No, let's stay with this. We understand how that works. So we're going to select this wall. And what you see here are temporary dimensions. And these are popping up. So basically we just hit the little dimension bar. And then it becomes permanent. And then we drag this up here. Right into the floor plan or wherever you want to have that. So that's how our temporary dimensions work. So we can even go there. And again, you just select this. And we can move this around and adjust it however we need. Okay. Now another thing in dimensions that we have what you call is multi-segmented dimensions. So these are pretty neat. So I'm going to select this dimension here. And I'm going to hit edit witness line. And then we want to add here just for the center line of windows. We could have did this before, but we want to do it this way, just so we can understand and see how segmented window, dimensions work. So again, we can say edit witness line, and then we'll select one there, there, and it'll adjust the dimensions here. And we can drag and modify these however we want. But anyway, you know, I just wanted to run through this, how we do the dimensions. So I think those are all the dimension cases and things you're going to run across in Revit. So hey, thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. You'll see me make videos like this. And I just had a question about dimensions, and if anybody have any questions, please let me know. Feel free, and we can talk about it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Everybody be safe and bye. Bye.